There are no agents. Clear those boxes. Clear them. Clear those boxes. Candidates enter. Clear those boxes. We are still people campaigning. Voting is going on. I carried one box here full of ballots. I ran with it up to the plenary. The police grabbed it from inside. 3 more boxes in that place. It's an open election. 3 boxes. 3 boxes are ticked. They are there. And they must clean them. The entire parliament, all members of parliament are coming here. We're going to clear those boxes. Police and your team clear those 3 remaining boxes. Let them clear. Media, you stay here. There's a freedom of speech, there's freedom of socialization, there's freedom of everything here today. Now rigging in parliament. We shall not set that precedence in parliament of Uganda. We are not going to rig. And the members are still campaigning. Voting is taking place here. How? 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 Police clear those boxes before you embarrass. He said, one police officer whom I know grabbed me from here, took away with it. Took off with it. There are 3 more boxes there ticked. Vote rigging. Vote rigging. I'm ready to die. Vote rigging. Leave me. Vote rigging. Vote rigging. Vote rigging. Vote rigging. You are not passport. Vote rigging. Yes, you.
Mr. Luchana.